Sweta, Nilvar, where are you today? What's happening?
I am at the bungee, last resort bungee jumping.
Yeah, how are you feeling?
Excited, nervous, everything.
So anything else you'd like to say?
I don't know, but this is my first bungee jumping. Hopefully it goes really well. I'm very, very excited. Of course, I'll have one.